No, 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 no. Get it together, girl. Get it together. All right, here we go. Hi, guys. Welcome back. So, today, while I was out and about, getting my little walk on, of course, I had to stop by my local neighborhood drugstore, which is CVS. And, when I was in there, I saw a few little goodies that I wanted to pick up. So I thought I'd just do a quick little CVS haul video, a very, very mini haul. Although this little bag right here cost me $50. So yeah, anyway. So I just wanted to kind of share with you guys these little items that I picked up that caught my eye. And a lot of times I don't even know if certain items are new or not, because I don't always stay up on top of all of the drugstore stuff that's coming out. So some of this stuff might be like way old and you're like, girl, you just now buying that, but it's new to me. Okay, so let me just go ahead and show you guys some of the stuff that I got. So the first item that I got is actually this Milani smooth finish, and this is cream to powder makeup. I have never used a cream to powder like foundation type thing, but it comes in this little compact, and sorry for the glare, but it comes in this little compact, and the color that I got was the darkest color they had, which is spiced almond, and it looks like this on the inside. So I don't know if that color is gonna match me, but it says on here, let me get my specs. Okay. But it says on here that this is a cream to powder makeup, lightweight, medium coverage cream makeup that transforms to a soft powder finish. Smooths and evens out skin tone while covering imperfections. So I guess this is kind of like a lightweight type foundation. If you don't want to go for the heavy foundation look and feel, you can try this out. So I'm really curious to see how this is going to work out for me, because I do have a lot of hyperpigmentation, dark marks, and stuff like that. So I don't know, but I was curious, so I went ahead and picked it up, and I'm gonna see how this works. And this, I only paid $5.39 for this, but that's only because they were having a sale, a buy one get one half off sale. So the other Milani product that I bought was one of their eyeshadows, and I know that this isn't new at all. I know these have been around for quite a while, but I've really been wanting to get my hands on one of these, and this one is metallic, and it's 08 metallic, and this one is Everyday Eyes collection, and this is, yeah, the must-have metallics. So let me just open this up, and it comes like this, and there's a brush, a dual-ended brush in here that'll probably end up going in the trash for me. But this is what the shadows actually look like, and they are absolutely gorgeous to me. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. And I really like that they have a black in here. I wish they had I don't know, I guess another neutral that I could use. I mean, I could use this, I can play around in this, but this is absolutely gorgeous, and I cannot wait to try this out. This was $10.99. So buying this for $10.99, and I think the original price on this was like $11. That's how I got this for the $5.39. So I bought one, got one half off. So that's those two items from Milani. Okay, so I did go ahead and pick up another one of the Wet n Wild Color Icon eyeshadow palettes. And this is the one that I got. Really pretty. And this one is actually number 759, Comfort Zone. And so let me go ahead and open this up so you guys can take a look. But this is what this palette looks like. Very pretty shades. When I saw it, I fell in love with this color here. It looks kind of like a dual chrome type color. And then the greens and the browns. It just really looked very pretty to me. So I wanted to go ahead and pick this up. Now I got a really good deal when I bought my first two. On this one, I actually paid $6.99 for this. So still not a bad deal, but I paid $6.99 for this one. So can't wait to try that one out. Also, from Wet n Wild, I got this one of these Hello Halo, and this is a Mega Glow product. It's a liquid highlighter, and this is the one that I got. So that color is absolutely gorgeous. The name of this one is Go With the Glow. So that's the name on this one. I'm really hoping that the color is pretty. I'm going to go ahead and do a quick swatch because I'm curious. Oh, that's pretty. I don't know if you can see that, but it's really kind of light. Yeah, so it's really kind of light and subtle. It looks kind of like a copper, bronzy, or more copper to me type shade, but it has a nice glow to it. So, honestly, sitting here looking at this, I'm such a sucker for highlight. I bought this and love it, and it's just dawning on me like, girl, you don't like liquid highlighters, but I'm gonna try and play around with this one because they have some really, really pretty liquid highlighters or cream highlighters, and I really want to kind of play around in them. So yeah, that's actually quite pretty. So we'll see, y'all. We'll see. Okay, so next, if you guys watch my channel regularly, you already know my favorite mascara is the Tarte mascara. It's my ride or die, holy grail, Tarteist mascara. It works for me and I love it. And I really don't be wanting to try any other mascaras. But when I was in the store today, I said, you know what? I really do need to try some other mascaras because there might be one that really, really works as well, if not better. So I went ahead and I picked up one of the Rimmel mascaras. They had a whole display with a lot of different mascaras. And so sometimes it could be hard to choose, but this one really kind of jumped out at me. It's called the Lash Accelerator, and this one is in the color Extreme Black. This one here says with AVEC Grow Lash Complex. So this one is supposed to have some type of product in it to help my eyelashes grow over time. Now, it says lashes look up to 117% longer in 30 days. We gonna see, y'all. We gonna find out because I'm gonna use this for 30 days and I'm gonna let y'all know if it works or not. So this here is what this looks like. And, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try this one out and see. Now, this was $9.79. Okay. Now, I'm real cheap when it comes to mascara and eyeliner and stuff like that. So, this stuff better work. It better work. So, anyway, I got that. And then I got one more thing, you guys. So the last thing that I picked up was, of course, a new foundation. Now, like I said, I don't know if this is new at all. This might be as old as I don't know what, but it's new to me because I've never tried it. Now, this is the CoverGirl True Blend. And now it says on here that this is a new shade. And this is the color D7, which is, what is this? Soft Sable. So it says it is Soft Sable. And it doesn't say this matte or anything like that. It just says True Blend Liquid Makeup. And this one has a pump applicator. And with this color, you guys, I don't know. This was the darkest shade that they had. Okay. This was the darkest shade that they had. So, we'll see. But let me see if I can pump. It just looks a little gray to me. I feel like, I like a little bit of a more warm undertone, but yeah, it looks a little gray to me, but we'll see. That's what color it is that I have. And you see, it's kind of like dull and gray. So I don't know how I'm going to like that, but I definitely wanted to try this out. So I have a new foundation to try out. This foundation was $10.79. So it wasn't too bad, not too expensive. But I'm really curious to see how this is going to work out on my skin tone, and also with the coverage, as well as whether or not it has more of a matte type finish or a dewy finish, because I'm not sure. So anywho, I got that, and that was it for my little CVS haul, you guys. So I definitely have some new goodies that I'm going to be trying out. The one that I'm most anxious to try out is this Milani Smooth Finish cream to powder foundation. Very curious about that. So look for a video on this, because I want to see how this works for me. So anyway, you guys, that is it for my quick little CVS run to the store and buying stuff you don't need and that you don't need to be buying stuff video. So thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Toodles!